and welcome to Halo 4. I'm recording this on my phone, so sorry for the bad quality, and I might not be playing this that often, but I'll see what I can do. Leave suggestions for other games, and here we go. Sorry if my phone quits out, because, I don't know, my phone doesn't want to work, so, weird. Oh, come on. So many. No, it's okay. Okay. Just checking. This is my uncle's console, so yeah, like I said, I might not be playing this that much. God. Good. Oh, come on, I killed him. Oh god. Why did I do that? Ah! I'm dumb. Yeah! Kill from the grave. Kill him! Woo! Watching. I need to find that stupid remote so I can turn the brightness down so you guys can see. Oh yeah, killed you, but then I died. That's not good. Oh, get wrecked. Woo! Kill him! Oh, that was quick. We're just teabagging him. Oh, that's funny. And there's... Okay. Let's see... Options? I don't know what that is. Return. Menu? Yeah, it's menu. No, why it's so blurry on your screen? This is down extremely low for me, so it doesn't seem to make a difference, so I want this back up. Whoa, that was really dark. Goodness, you need to be off. Yeah, sorry guys if this is so really blurry. Cause I don't know. I like this place. Well, actually I don't know what this place is, so yeah. But yeah, oh. And sorry if I don't do an outro, because my phone might cut out on me. So yeah. See how fast this goes, and then I'll end the video after this. My phone will let me. It's just... Yeah, I think it was just the overall lights. Stupid. Flood. Ooh, we got all kinds of stuff. My shot. Shotgun. Oh my god, this is so weird. I can't jump, I can't do anything. Just gonna follow you guys. All I can do is run. So weird. Murdering. Mass murder. Oh god, find us, find us. Ow. Ah, come on. Oh, he's dead. Woo! I lasted till the very end. Not really. What the? Wood. See how this comes out. Dibs on the shotgun. Dude, we're shotgun buddies. Dude, he's dead. Oh, Jesus. Oh, did I kill him? Did I? Yeah, I might have killed him. No, someone else killed him. Oh, yeah. Woo, I'm coming for ya. Why'd I come over here? What the fuck? I'm stuck in a box. What? How do I get out? There's obviously a way. Right? Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, sorry if I'm not so talkative, too, because, I mean, this is my first ever YouTube video. So, I mean, can't do much. Guys? Wait for me. Oh, yeah. Dude, someone... Oh, get wrecked. Oh, how do you like it? Oh, you look up. Oh, lag. Severe lag. Severe lag. Severe lag. Lag. 4 days. 4 days. Oh, ow. Oh, dude. Yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh. Ah. Woo. Last man standing. So yeah, Flood is now my new favorite type. Cause then, yes it is. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe and punch that like button in the face or shoot it with a machete. Or what the fuck am I saying? But shoot it, blow it up, do whatever you want. But make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.